what you're going to need for this recipe will be 2 cups of Epsom salt, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, half a cup of coconut oil, which I've already melted, and 15 drops of lavender essential oil. And for the purple mixture, you will need red and blue food coloring. Okay, so I'm going to start with adding my sugar first. I have 1 cup of sugar. And here is my 2 cups of Epsom salt. I've already gotten the lavender scented Epsom salt, but I will add some more lavender oil anyways. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I'm so scared to dump this in it, but hey, that's what it calls for. And now I'm going to add the coconut oil. You can also use olive oil, but I'm a big fan of coconut oil, so this is what I'm using. And then we're going to add our 15 drops of lavender oil. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Actually, let's add a little bit more. So I put about 20. I'm going to mix this right now. I've never made a sugar scrub before, so I don't know what it's going to end up being like. But it's starting to look like it. It's actually really interesting. Look at it. Oh, and it smells so good. Now I'm going to add the food coloring. They say to make purple, you need 3 drops of blue and 5 drops of red, they say. Actually, I think this is pink, but 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll try this first and see how that works. I'm already seeing it changing. Look at it. It looks so pretty. Now, of course, you can add more to your liking. My aim is to have it purple, but it may not. I may not conquer that. Let's add some more. I'm going to mix this for a little bit, and I will come back and show you the final product.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so I'm done mixing it all up. As you can see, it is nice and purple. It kind of looks gray. I'm going to change the angle of the camera so you can actually see that it is purple. It's lavenderish purple, actually. So you can store it in basically any kind of jar that you want. I'm actually going to put it in a mason jar because I really like mason jars. And that's it. So that is the sugar scrub. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell and it'll let you know that I've posted.